In this video, you will learn how to refund money on TapTap Send. Check refund eligibility. Make sure you're eligible for a refund if the transfer was unauthorized, incorrect or failed to reach the recipient, or if there was a mistake in the recipient's information. Act quickly. It's best to request a refund as soon as notice is possible. TapTap Send allows refund requests within 13 months of the transfer date in many cases. Contact TapTap Send support. Open the app and go to the Help or Support section. You can also contact them directly by phone or email for faster assistance. Provide transfer details. When contacting support, include your full name, address, phone number and transfer amount, as well as your transfer ID and the reason to request a refund. Wait for processing. The support team will review your request. If eligible, they will process your refund and send back the funds to your original payment method. Monitor your account. Refunds typically appear within 3 to 5 business days. If you don't see it, contact support again.